Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As you've probably seen by the intro that I've done, there is a new name for the layout which is called Gelternau, which is a combination of two towns in Switzerland. I had a bit of help from this on this particular name from a chap from my own web called Gordon, very helpful. Knows his Swiss stuff, which is really good, and helped me come up with this brand new name. As you can see, I've now got all three loops running on the layout, which is fantastic news. It's been a long time coming. I'm really pleased. The third controller turned up, so now have all of my loops running, and it's very exciting. The kids have enjoyed it, which is good, so we're all having a bit of fun and been playing trains over the last sort of few weeks, which is great. Today I'm going to talk to you about the signal box build, which is my ongoing building. So the first building I started to fill out, I put together a little slideshow of how I built it. Hope you'll find it interesting. And then I'm going to talk to you about some catenary ideas that I have fill out. So let's head straight over, showing you the trains running, and then the slideshow will follow. I'll see you shortly. another building I've been working on is this replica of the ABB building in Baden. So I've now, from my last video, I've now tidied it up a little bit and also sanded down the last few bits and given it a coat of primer. And you can really see the detail now sort of coming out in the layers of plastic that I've used to make this. Quite pleased so far with how it's looking. So the next stage here is to add a roof and also the escape steps, which will be just here, and then some doors to the side and then the windows. It's come on really nicely, and I'll give you a bit of a further update in the next video on this building. So back to the catenary side of things. So watching some cab rides, I've noticed there's quite a few different styles of portals along the lines, and they tend to be quite mixed up in Switzerland. There seems to be quite a few of the same, then you get a bit of a mixture. So I kind of thought for this layout, a bit of a mixture of different kinds of portals would be a really good idea. Having looked around, there's quite a few companies that do some. N-Train produce some fabulous bits of Swiss outline portals. They look really good. They are mega expensive, so I might just buy just the one or two for the layout and then just try and scratch build the rest. But I did come across this little gem, which or could work out as a little gem, from Enbrass, which is this one here. Don't know if you can see that. It's a GWR portal in N-gauge. It's a single portal. I bought this, it's the cheapest one I could get, as a bit of an experiment really, but if you can see, this portal here is actually very similar to some of the stuff that's used in Switzerland. The arm, or the stand bit there, won't be of use. I'll have to scratch build that, but this could work really well, and is a bit cheaper than the N-Train stuff as well. So hopefully this will work out. I shall bring you up to speed with if it's worked or not in my next layout update. So there we had mini update today. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Those of you that have stayed to the end of the video, hope it's been of use, hope it's been interesting. Please do comment down below. If you like Swiss Railways and modelling Swiss Railways, then please do hit that like button and subscribe for the next layout update. And thank you so much for watching today. Until the next time, happy modelling all, and take care. See you again soon.